Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Going to go over a special comparison video for NK today, and hope this helps you out. So here we go. Taking a look at the three products that you want compared. I've got them right here in front. On the floor to the left with the character to design is our Solitude SPC006. You can go right to it on the website with that model number. And then to the left is the darker, more consistently solid brown color, the SPC004. We call it Fortress. Now straight up ahead, I'm comparing it to the Gunstock panel, which we have on a vertical display in our showroom. To the right of that, if anyone wants to know, is the Oak Natural, sister to the Oak Gunstock. So here we go. The comparison is just taking a look at how these colors compare. Obviously, the Solitude on the left is got a lot more going on. It consists of all these tones we're looking at, and kind of looks the most like a wild acacia, or a, not necessarily a hickory, but definitely got a lot of character. Does touch upon some gray tones as well. Now, for looking at the angle of light, the Gunstock samples here on the Fortress will certainly help you determine the color tone difference between the two. Whenever we have folks that are looking at Oak Gunstock, but they want something a little darker, we certainly refer them to the Fortress color. It is darker and does have some more dominating knot places. I'm just going to kind of scan over this, and then I'm going to come back over the Solitude so you can see some more of that. So now I'm going to try to get right here where we can kind of see all three at once. And there is some light coming from behind me hitting the Gunstock, so it is making it shine a little bit lighter. I have two Solitude samples on the Gunstock to really get a good comparison of those. And just going to move around so that the light can hit this in different ways. I'm just going to scan down through here. And just keep in mind, for anyone else looking at this video, this does have the EVA pad attached to the back. It's real convenient, pretty much all in one product. It's ready to go when you receive it. And SuperCore is ready to install in any bathroom, kitchen. It's good for the whole house. It's great for busy households with pets and kids. It's got fantastic dent resistance, much tougher than any WPC on the market, and also does not have any vinyl on the top, which is a tremendous benefit, as the product is a lot more stable. And also, some things people don't know, and we have a real good example of a customer that's already done this, is you can install this product continuously through your house. You could go with a 50-foot by 50-foot area without a transition. This is wonderful for your open floor plans where you have the great room and kitchen are open to each other, and you want to flow down that hallway down into some bedrooms, and you don't want that interruption of a transition piece. That's just a little indication of how stable this product is. So go ahead and check it out on our website, WeShipFloors.com. Let me know if you need any additional comparison videos. I hope this helps you today in KCHA. And leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching today. Goodbye.